Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Cooking with Jack show. Today I'm just going to share stuff with you. We're not making anything today, but there were a lot of products that I just bought at the Amish. And you're asking, why did you go up to the Amish? I'm like, well, every time we have to go up into Kentucky, there's some Amish stores up there and some Amish farms. We buy chicken and eggs and seasonings and everything. So this time we were filming at Patty's 1880 settlement. We were doing a Jack on the Go episode, but about halfway up was an Amish farm. So we stopped in there. I had to reload on some things. So I'm going to show you all the things I bought. Just kind of show you what I buy when I go to the Amish. Come on in close. Okay, so I buy my seasonings in these. You guys have seen these glass jars. I buy all my seasoning in these. If you buy 12, a whole case worth, they're only like, what, $2 a piece. So I usually fill the box before I go. Let's see what I got. Got granulated onion. That's definite. Got minced onion. Sometimes some recipes want minced onion for the body of the pieces, and they don't want it granulated. So I get minced onion also. And then I got a Amish Sloppy Joe mix. Now I use their, what was it? The taco mix that they had. That was really, really good. I put that in my meat and made taco bowls. So we're going to try out this Sloppy Joe mix from the Amish and see what it is all about. This is minced garlic, onion and garlic. Every house has to have it. Garlic, more minced garlic. I bought 2 of these because they're not full jars. So I wanted the full thing. And then I've got ground turmeric right here, a whole jar of it. Been using a lot of turmeric, putting in a lot of dishes, a lot of health benefits to turmeric. If you don't believe me, look it up. All right, we got Jamaican jerk seasoning right here. Now I make a Jamaican jerk sauce, but I don't have a seasoning. I'd love to try this because I'm getting more into dry rubs, less into sauces, because sauces have too much sugar, and even my sauce has sugar. So we're gonna try the Jamaican jerk seasoning on some wings. We'll see how it is. What do we got? Onions minced right there. We have granulated chopped and minced onions. And then we got oregano. Every good Italian boy needs that. And then we've got more oregano. Oh, that's right. I got to fill my big container. So I'm going to put 2 of these into one of my containers. And then, more oregano. And then we got lemon pepper. I don't know if you guys have ever used lemon pepper. My wife loves this stuff. She'll put it on steak. She'll put it on stuff. And this is very delicious. Lemon pepper. Very healthy for you. Great seasoning. So let's go get the other box and show you. This is a great box of stuff. You ready? Look at this. I bought some marinated mushrooms. They're delicious. If you've never had marinated mushrooms, these are amazing. So we got marinated mushrooms in this box. And then I got these dill garlic pickle chips. Dill garlic pickle chips are delicious if you've never had them on a sandwich or just alone by themselves. And then I got there's my basil. Got my basil leaf right here. Bought a whole jar of red popcorn. I don't even know why. I've never popped red popcorn kernels. So I'm going to check that out. And then I've got a big jar of vanilla. I use vanilla all the time. This is real vanilla. Pure vanilla. And then I got the Farms barbecue sauce just to test out on a rack of ribs. We'll do a rib video. And then, look at this. Sweet pickle spears. These have been marinated. I love pickle spears. This is kind of weird. Look at this. Dried apples. This is for my wife's work. She's bringing it to her friends at work. So we got dried apples. I didn't even know they had that. And then dried kiwi. Look at that. 2 jars of that. Kiwi. And then we're moving on to some of the stuff I bought at Patty's settlement. She had a store too, so I had to go shopping. Hey, if it's food related, I'm all over it. Okay, so this is a mix of stuff, but look at this. Let's start with this one. I've had coconut oil jar. I don't use coconut oil a lot in my house, so my coconut oil's kind of getting old. So I thought I'd get a brand new jar, and you can't beat it. Look how big this jar is for $5. I got coconut oil, and then I went to the Patty's 1880 Settlement. She has her own seasoning, and she's got her own sauce, barbecue sauce, and she's got her own. This is for like pork chops or steak too. This is a special sauce, so I've got to try that out. And then this big bottle right here, I've never heard of this. This is called a beer bread bottle, and it's a sealed bottle with a beer bread mixture in it. And all you do is add one bottle of beer to this. So you pour beer into this and make beer bread. Thought that was cool. I'm going to make it on the show. I'm probably not going to eat it all, but I will see what it tastes like. We'll take a bite of this, and this is beer bread, quick and easy recipe to stir this with beer. That's it. And then this was at Sam's Club. It had nothing to do with Kentucky. I don't even know why I'm showing this on the show, but it's coming up in an episode. They came out with a Nashville hot chicken seasoning, and I got this at Sam's Club, so we're going to check out. Normally, hot chicken has kind of like a sauce with lard in it, and you kind of brush it on. If this seasoning is any good, I'm all over this seasoning. So Nashville hot chicken. And that's it. So this is the heart of the show right here. This is a line of jellies that I saw from Spring Valley Farms. And these jellies have no sugar. They're sugar-free jellies. Now, I know fruit has natural sugar in it, so I'm not sure how they pulled that off, but these are all different flavors. So let's take a look. I got blackberry, no sugar added, and this one is boysenberry. So this one here is a special flavor, boysenberry. If you live in California and you know the amusement park Knott's Berry Farm, the owner of that park, Walter Knott, he partnered with somebody and blended blackberries and blueberries and loganberries and made this right here, and he called it boysenberry. This was the last jar they had there. I don't even know how they found out about boysenberry, but they got a no sugar added boysenberry. I haven't had this since I was in California. And then you've got this one right here, Frog Jam. And Frog Jam has figs, raspberry, oranges, and ginger. What a mess that's going to be, right? And then this one is just grape jelly. This is my favorite flavor of all. I love grape, no sugar added. And then over here is cherry, right here. So we got all these flavors. They got a whole line, Spring Valley Farms. We're going to test them out right now. We're going to make some butter and on some toast. Well, I'm not going to make butter. We're going to use butter, put it on toast, and then apply some jelly. Try it out, see if it's any good. I don't know. This Frog Jam's scaring me. So let's check it out. Okay, so I broke up my zero carb bread from Aldi's. You guys know the stuff that sells out like crazy. And my wife was kind enough to butter and jelly each one. Give me a little sample. So we toasted the bread, we buttered it, we added the jelly, and we're going to try it right now. The first one we're trying is it blackberry? Yeah, blackberry. I had to check, sorry. Okay, give it a try. They did a great job. They did a great job. I don't get how they can... I'm not sure how they can say on the label there's zero sugar in there if there's fruit in there. There's got to be some amount of sugar from the fruit. Unless they're saying they just didn't add it. I don't know. But the label says zero sugar. All right, this is boysenberry. Haven't had that in so long. Okay, this is the one that scares me. This is the Frog Jam. Now, when Tammy was picking these up, I was with her. There was a lady who said she was getting like 5 jars of Frog Jam. She says she puts it on everything. Her eggs, her meat, I mean, like everything, literally. Her family loves this stuff. So here we go, Ribbit Frog Jam. It's okay. It's got a flavor that is kind of not agreeing with me, but the more I chew it, the better it tastes, if that makes sense. Frog Jam, you got to try it, see whether you like it or not. It's got to be like a hit and miss with people. They either love it or they don't like it. So I'll pass on it today. I'm not putting it down, but I'll pass on this one. Let's give this a try. This is my favorite. This is grape. Wow. That reminds me of Knott's Berry Farm jelly. And it's got no sugar, so that's cool. Very impressed with these flavors. They're nailing them all. Cherry's kind of weak. Okay. Frog gem, no. Cherry, no. Everything else is great. Blackberry, boysenberry, and grape. I'm very impressed with this brand. Try them out. See if you can buy them online. I went to a place called Sauter's Amish Farm or something like that. It's in Elkton, Kentucky. See if you can mail order them. I don't know. But if you can find this line, they're really good. I give them a big thumbs up. Great job on the flavors. So that's it for today. You guys have a good one. Be looking for some of these products in future episodes. Some of the sauces, some of the seasonings. It's ready to go on the Cooking with Jack show. Get ready for barbecue season. It's heading our way.